Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah shower His countless blessings upon all of you. In this lecture, we are going to discuss chapter 6 of High School English Grammar and Composition by Wren and Martin. And in this chapter, we would learn to classify nouns on the basis of gender, on the basis of male or female sex. Now, look at these examples. Boy and girl, lion and lioness, hero and heroine, cock sparrow and hen sparrow. These are pairs of nouns. The first noun in each pair denotes an animal or a human being of the male sex, and the second noun in each pair denotes a human being or an animal of a female sex. So, a naming word, a noun which denotes an animal or a human being of the male sex is of masculine gender, and a noun which denotes an animal or a human being of the female sex is of feminine gender. Boy and lion and hero and cock sparrow, these are nouns of masculine gender. Girl, lioness, heroine, hen sparrow, etc. are the nouns of feminine gender. Now look at some other examples. Look at this parent. It denotes a human being which is either male or female. I mean, for a parent, both genders are possible. A parent can be male or a parent can be female. Similarly, child, both genders are possible. A child can be a male child or it can be a female child. A friend can be a male friend or a female friend. Pupil can be a male pupil or a female pupil. Similarly, servant and a thief and relation, an enemy can be a male enemy or a female enemy. So all these nouns, they denote uh, objects which are either male or female. Student and baby and monarch, neighbor, infant. Infant can be either male or female. Neighbor can be either male or female. Similarly, monarch can be either male or female. Monarch is the head of the state, a king. So a noun which indicates an object which can be either male or female, for which both genders are possible, is a noun of common gender. So these are all of these nouns are nouns of the common gender. Now look at these examples. Book is a naming word and it denotes an object which is neither male nor female. I mean, none of the genders, neither male nor female, none of the genders are possible for a book. So a noun which denotes neither male nor female is a noun of neuter gender. Pen and room denote objects which are neither male nor female. So pen and room are nouns of the neuter gender. Similarly, tree is a noun which denotes an object which is neither male nor female. So tree is a noun of neuter gender. So when we talk about uh, objects of neuter gender, we sometimes speak of them as if they are females and sometimes we speak of them as if they are males. Now look at this example. The sun sheds his beams on rich and poor alike. We know that this sentence is saying something about the sun, and the sun is an object which is neither male nor female. The sun is a noun of neuter gender. But in this statement, sun is being spoken of as if sun is a male animal. Look at the pronoun his. This is called personification. The sun is being personified in this statement. When you speak of an object which is neither male nor female, as if you are talking about some male or female animal, you are actually personifying that object. And objects which are known for their strength and violence, like the summer, the winter, the sun, time, and death. When we talk about these nouns of neuter gender, we speak of them as if we are speaking of a male animal or a male human being. On the other hand, there are some objects of the neuter gender which are remarkable for their beauty and gentleness and gracefulness, like the moon, the earth, spring, autumn, nature, liberty, justice, mercy, peace, hope, and charity, etc. These are all nouns of the neuter gender, but when we talk about these nouns, we speak of them as if we are talking about some female animal or a female human being. Look at this example: the moon has hidden her face behind a cloud. Uh, this statement. The moon, this sentence is about the moon, and the moon is an object of neuter gender. It's a noun of neuter gender, but since moon is known for its beauty and its gentleness, therefore the speaker has used the pronoun her, and he has spoken of the moon as if uh, he is speaking of a female animal. Similarly, spring has spread her mantle of green over the earth. Spring is known for its beauty and gentleness and gracefulness. So, in this statement, spring is being spoken of as if spring is a female. Look at the pronoun her. Peace hath her victories, no less renowned than war. We know that peace is a noun of neuter gender, but peace is also known for its beauty and its gracefulness and its gentleness. Peace is not known for its violence and strength. So, look at the pronoun her. The peace is being spoken of as if peace is a female animal. Peace is being personified. This is called personification. When you speak of an object which is neither male nor female, as if you are talking about a male or female animal, you are actually personifying. Personification is very common in poetry, but in prose also this device is used. Look at this statement: the ship lost her boats in the storm. Ship is a noun of neuter gender. It is neither male nor female, but it is being spoken of as if ship is a female animal. The ship is being personified. So this is it for today, guys. It was sixth chapter of high school English grammar and composition. And this lecture is not complete because in the second part of the same lecture, we are going to learn different ways of forming feminine nouns from the masculine forms. So don't forget to watch that video, that lecture, in which we would learn to form feminine nouns from the masculine forms. Thank you. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.